I'm going to give you the playbook that I had for 2019 so you can see what my brands are focusing on this year. They go all in on expansion. My brand, Boom, these are the only 2 products people buy on the front end. They come to me for the cosmetics, but because I have content, because I have an opinion, because I make truly great products, more than half my sales come from these other products. You got to go all in on expansion. I learned this from the Dr. Axe. As soon as you have one product, get another one and cross-sell it to your past buyers, because product launches work incredibly well. You're not sending nearly as much email as you should be. 34% of our revenue comes from email. You should be sending a lot more emails, sales emails, content emails. You should be running a sale event every 6 weeks. Even if you only have 50 subscribers, if you run a sale event every 6 weeks, you will make more sales. Big brands do this well. They also go all in on user-generated content. We take our customer testimonials, we layer them over product images, we share that on social.